Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akil Harith bin Seni Amir. My metric number is 33DPE19F1037. Firstly, I will present about the bar chart. The chart shows Facebook user from 2017 until 2021 in Malaysia. The graph depicts the increase in the number of Facebook users in Malaysia from 2017 to 2020. Generally, Facebook has become a fad among Malaysians who use it as a platform for making money through streaming and marketing. It's a big surge from 2017 to 2020. The number of users increased from 18.65 million to 21.78 million in 2018. The number of Facebook users climbed to 22.797 million the following year, with a peak of 24.81 million in 2020. Following the achievement of the highest number of Facebook users in 2020, Malaysians' use of sites like TikTok and Instagram has grown. As a result, in 2021, there is a slight decrease with a value 24.67 million. Finally, in keep with current modernism, social media can be used to create cash and build business. After that, this is the line graph of wildlife population from 2017 to 2022. Firstly, the population about bears. As you can see, the blue line representing the bears. The number of the bears from years to years is increasing from 8 to 184. After that, about the dolphin population. In 2017, the number of dolphins is about 150, but unfortunately, the population of dolphins is decreasing and experiencing extinction. In 2022, the number of dolphins is 1. The dolphin line is the orange one. Lastly, the population of whale, the grey one. The whale population is ascending and descending from years to years. In 2017, the whales number is 80, and in the 2022, the number of whale is decreased to 72. That means the population of whale is maintained.